Welcome! In this video, we are going to graph using the slope and y-intercept. We are given the equation where x and y are on the same side. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to rewrite this equation using the slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. We are interested in the number in front of x, which is the slope. And then we're interested in this b value, which is y-intercept. So let's take this equation and rewrite in slope-intercept form. So we have 2x plus 5y equals 10. So we want to have y all by itself. So it means we're going to take 2x and bring it to the right side with the opposite sign. If you're in America, you will subtract 2x from both sides. We have 5y, and we take 2x and bring it to the other side with the opposite sign. So we have positive 2x here. We will have negative 2x plus 10. Look here. We want to write negative 2x first because we're interested to find the number in front of x, which is the slope. So write it as negative 2x plus 10. Do not stop, because we need to have y all by itself. What do we do next? That's right, we divide both sides by 5. We are dividing everything by 5. Very good. 5y divided by 5 is y. And here on the right, negative 2x divided by 5. Write it like this, negative 2/5 x, and then plus 10 divided by 5, we will have positive 2. Very good. Look here, our slope m is negative 2/5. So this is the slope. M is equal to negative 2/5. Then the y-intercept is the b value. B is equal to 2. That's our y-intercept. This is what we are going to do next. We're going to take b equals to 2. And go to the y-axis and find y equals 2 on the y-axis. And this is going to be our first point, y equals 2. Very good. Now, we're going to use the slope to plot more points. So our slope m is rise over run. And what do we have? We have negative 2/5. We can take this negative and bring it to the numerator, or you can take this negative and bring it to the denominator. It doesn't matter, just put it in one place. I'll put it in the numerator. So we will have negative 2/5. Now, our rise is negative 2. It means I'm going down, go down 2 units on the y-axis. If I had positive 2, I will go up 2 units. Look at the run. The run is positive 5. So we will go to the right 5 units. Now, if we had negative 5, we will go to the left 5 units. Now we are ready to find another point. Right here, you stand at y equals 2. Right here. So you're going to go down 2 units. Right here. Count with me. 1, 2. And then 5 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put another point here. So right from here, y equals 2, you go down 2 units and 5 to the right. If you want, you can keep going. 2 units down, 5 to the right. Here's another point, but minimum you need 2 points to graph a line. Now let's carefully connect. Right here, and let's extend it indefinitely in both directions. Very good. And here's our line. I want to show you 2 special points right here. This special point, it's where the line crosses the y-axis. It is called y-intercept. What are the coordinates of the y-intercept? The x-coordinate, so look down on the x-axis. It is 0, and the y-coordinate is 2. Now, the next special point is the x-intercept, is where the line crosses the x-axis. So this is x-intercept. What are the coordinates of the x-intercept? So the x-coordinate will be 5, and the y-coordinate, you see, it's going to be 0. Very good. I have more videos on how to graph, how to find slope, so be sure to practice. Thank you for your good work and keep moving forward.